Hi, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register a new department. Now, here on the dashboard, you will need to make sure that the company that you want to work with shows at the top. If it does not, you need to go click on Change Company and then click on Home to get back to the screen. Now, right here on the left-hand side, you will need to click on the 3 or 4 little blocks icon. It will take you to your department dashboard. And here we can see an overview of everything that is happening within the departments. You can also click on the drop-down list right here at the top. And you would be able to choose a specific department if you have more than one. Now you can also choose to register a department by clicking on the blue button. Or you can click on List of Departments, where you will see all your departments and have the option to register another. Now in this example, I'm going to click on the list of departments, as it will take us to the same screen when we already register a new department anyways. So as you can see, we already have a department created. So let's go and create another. Let's click on Register New Department, and we're going to give it a name. So let's say that this is the Sales Department. And we're going to click Save. And now you've created that department. So if we go back to these 4 little dots and we click on List Departments, you can see that our department has been created. And that is how you create a department. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in another.